This is a review of Greenworks' new 3/8" crown staple kit. 24-volt rechargeable. Staples seem to be easy to load. Drop them in the bottom, and they are the standard T50 arrow size staples. Everything's ready to go. This is a safety, so when this is pushed in, it'll fire. And you probably shouldn't put your finger in it like that. Set it all the way in. It is adjustable as far as the strength. It's about halfway now. You turn this knob at the top to run it deeper or more power or less, minimum or max. And besides shooting staples, we'll also shoot brads. You load those up on that side. Drop it in. Fires away. Could go a little deeper. So let's adjust the power a bit. Still about the same. Take it all the way to max. That's a little better. Still not quite flush. There it is, Greenworks' new staple gun. I like it.
I just got a new toy. This is the Greenworks crown stapler kit. It comes with a battery and a charger that you charge. I really like how, well, you push this down in order to slide and release the battery. You can tell how much battery life is left on your battery, which I really like. It's not heavy. I mean, it is heavy, but for what it is, it's not super heavy, because I've tried other brands and some of them can get very, very heavy. This was a really compact, fun little toy. Well, it's not a toy, it's a tool. This is where you install the staples in here. I just put the brad nailers in just to try it out. Slide it in. Push it firmly in place.